Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Competitor Analysis Project Kickoff meeting. Why we are here today this morning is because, as I explained to you in my email, our executive team has recently started working on a 5-year strategic plan. They required us to prepare them a competitor analysis, which they believe that will have a significant contribution to their plan as well as to the future of the business, because this competitive analysis will help them to better understand the dynamics in the market so that they can realign our resources to accommodate customers' needs and demands more efficiently. This is why we are here this morning to prepare to talk about the competitor analysis. I have sent you the agenda with my email as well. I don't know if you were able to review it, but we can look at it together here. We will start with the team introductions, and then I will talk about the details of the project. Then we'll talk about the roles and responsibilities, how we will be communicating, and the timeline. And at the end, if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. Here is who we are, our team. We have Brian Johnston as our data analyst. We have Jeremy Robson as our marketing director. We have Joel Anker as our digital channel manager. We have John Nix and Mark Prosino as our sales managers. We have Tanya von Kirk as our brand content manager, and Terina as our chief financial officer, and myself, Arzu, as the project manager. Let's start walking through the project details. As I explained at the beginning, we are here to prepare a competitor analysis. This is our objective. To be able to prepare a competitor analysis, first we have to determine our competitors. This hasn't done in our company before, so it's going to be the first time a competitor analysis will be prepared. That's why we even haven't determined our competitors, and also we are unique in our field, in our offerings. That's why we have never had a requirement to look for the competitors, as their offerings are different than ours. But now we are asked to prepare this analysis, so we have to determine our competitors. I have found this model, Mykoponos classification, that I thought it can give us an idea how to select our competitors. So in this diagram, the intersection area is the area which will be our direct competitors, solving the same problem, which means selling the same product to the same customer. On the left side of the diagram, the blue area is having the same customer with that competitor, but having a different offering. And on the right side of the diagram, the green area, having the same offering, serving to different customers. We can use any model. Important thing is to be able to consider all the aspects while determining our competitors. So please feel free to use any other model or classification. So now we can start looking at the details. After determining our competitor, we will focus our research on that company's business and company metrics, products, customers, and marketing efforts. So what will we be looking for business and company metrics? We have to see the year of establishment, who their important key people are, where they're located, how many employees do they have, as well as their revenue growth, forecast, market share, any financial data. So we can reach out these data through to company's website or a company profile, Crunchbase, Glassdoor, Indeed. We can use the company's annual reports, press releases, Dun & Bradstreet website. We can use any of the tools here listed or any other source to focus our research will be fine. And then we will look at our competitors' products. We have to search for their products, their pricing, if they're offering any discounts or free products. Then we will look at their customers. The customer profile is very important. We can focus our search on the social media, how the customers are looking on social media, their volume of mentions, their focus, where are they located geographically, and customer social media preference. Luckily, we have this Evario tool, so we can use that app for our further research. And to search for our competitors' marketing efforts, the scope will be, we can search their SEO, social media advertising, sales, and content marketing strategies using with the apps listed here. They are very good resources. We have some of them, but not all. If we need any other resources, we can talk about it and make investment. That's also an option. Then who will do what? Let's see here in this chart. So Brian will do the data analysis through Tableau. He will give us nice looking visuals. Jeremy Robson will coordinate the research about marketing and sales of the competitors. Joel will do the customer search for the competitors. John Nix and Mark Prosino will be helpful to us, especially determining the competitors as well as their product offerings. Tanya Van Kirk will coordinate the research about content marketing, and Terina Mills will focus on the competitors' business and financial metrics. So how does the project timeline looks? I plan to focus the first 2 weeks on the research, which will be the most important part of this analysis. And then in week 2, we can start evaluating our research findings, which will lead us to the 4th week, that when we will be doing the analysis, the real analysis, and week 5 will be the final. So there's a time constraint. We only have 5 weeks, so please try to prioritize your time so that we can deliver this analysis on time with the best result. I have listed the next meeting dates here. We will be meeting on Mondays at 10 a.m. as we are doing today. We will get together to give feedback about our findings. We will brainstorm together and talk about the challenges. We can use, apart from these meetings, we can reach out to each other through emails, Slack, or in-person meetings or remote meetings, whichever suits you, whichever you need at that moment. Please feel free to be in contact. Communication is really important. If we can share our findings at some point, if we can continue the active communication, we will reach out the results better in a shorter period of time. So I will also create a Dropbox folder. We can upload our research results findings there. And I thought a Slack group chat could also be helpful for us. We can reach out to each other or brainstorm at that moment. If you have any other ideas, offers, please feel free to contact with me. I'll be happy to talk and review, evaluate together. So this is all about our project kickoff. Again, let's focus on our research and try to find out as many data as we can, including the potential competitor companies. And let's get together next week on Monday, 10 a.m. I will send an invite for that soon. Do you have any questions? If you don't have, thank you very much again for your time, and I'm looking forward to meeting you again on next Monday. Thank you. Have a good day.